Hi, I'm Matt, and this course contains everything you need in order to build a Chat GPT clone just like this one. In fact, not just like this one. We are building this identical app. I'm recording this at the end of having recorded all the lessons. So this is what you will get if you join our course and you complete all of the lessons. And I'm going to give you a few demonstrations of why this is the most complete Chat GPT clone course that I've ever recorded. So let's add a message in here saying rewrite your last message. Okay, so we are checking to see whether our OpenAI integration is content aware, meaning does it know what has come previously in the conversation? Rewrite your last message. And yes, it proves it does because we get a rewrite of the previous message. A few other things that you may not have noticed there is that when I pressed enter, the message was submitted. I didn't have to move my mouse and click send. And as new messages came in, it automatically scrolled down. We have got to the left, we've got multiple threads or chats or conversations, being able to swap between them. I teach you about privacy rules and data security in Bubble. We have a login page, a registration page. This really is everything you need to launch your own Chat GPT clone using Bubble, which is an amazing no-code web app development platform. So what are you waiting for? Join our course, and at the end of it, you will have an app identical to this.